best affordable PC setup. Alright, straight to the point. Not everyone has a full gaming setup, and that's totally fine. Whether you're 16 or 60, you can start building one right now. I've made a setup guide a while back, and people loved it. So it's time for the 2025 update. This is a Tech Bowl, and today we're building your ultimate budget gaming setup. Step by step, tip by tip, no fluff, no crazy prices. Let's jump right in. Start with the foundation, the desk. Think of your desk as a stage for your gaming world. You don't need something flashy, just solid, spacious, and upgrade ready. Look for the desk with enough room for your monitor, keyboard, mouse, and maybe a few upgrades down the road. A sturdy wooden desk beats a wobbly metal one every single time. And remember, this isn't just a desk, it's your command center. If you ever plan to add dual monitors, cable management trays, or even LED strips, start with the surface that can handle it. Get a chair that loves your back. Now, let's talk comfort. If you're sitting for hours editing videos, studying, or gaming, your chair can make or break the experience. You don't have to spend hundreds, but don't go cheap either. Around $60 to $100 can get you something supportive and durable. Mesh chairs breathe well. Racing chairs look cool, and executive chairs often strike a balance between both. Don't just pick one that feels like a medieval torture device after 30 minutes. Your back will thank you later. The beating heart, your PC. Here's where most of your budget should go. If possible, build it yourself. Pre-built PCs can be convenient, but they often cost more for less performance. When you build your own, you choose exactly what you need and where your money goes. Focus on three main parts: the GPU, for performance in games and editing, the CPU for multitasking and overall speed, and RAM for smooth operation. If you're new to PC building, websites like PC Part Picker help you check part compatibility before you buy. Budget-wise, here's a quick scale. $300 to $400 are entry-level PCs for lightweight games. $500 to $750, solid mid-range for 1080p 60 frames per second gaming. $1,000 plus, high-end setup for 4K or VR experiences. If you can stretch your budget a bit, do it for the GPU. It'll pay off in smoother gameplay. Before we move on, if you're finding these tips useful, hit that like button and subscribe to the Tech Bowl. We're working to hit 50K by the end of the year, and your click really helps keep guides like this coming. Choose the right monitor. This is where you'll be staring for hours, so don't overlook it. Ideally, grab something that's at least 24 inches, 1080p resolution or higher, with a refresh rate of 75 Hz or more. If your PC is powerful enough, a 144 Hz display makes everything, from movement to animation, feel incredibly smooth. If you're an AMD GPU user, FreeSync monitors are your friend. For NVIDIA users, G-Sync options keep visual tear free. Just a reminder, a high refresh rate monitor only shines if your PC can deliver the frames. Otherwise, you're paying for speed you'll never see. The keyboard, your command interface. Keyboards are deeply personal. There are two main types: mechanical, tactile, clicky, customizable, and membrane, quieter, softer, usually cheaper. If you game often, mechanical boards are worth it. Look for ones with hot swappable switches if you like tinkering, or compact 60% layouts if you want more desk space. And yes, RGB lighting is optional, but admit it, it's fun. Just make sure the keyboard feels right for you. You'll be pressing those keys thousands of times a day. A mouse that fits like a glove. A good gaming mouse doesn't have to cost a fortune. Focus on shape, weight, and DPI settings rather than flashy lights. If you play fast-paced shooters, a light mouse with adjustable DPI helps with precision. For casual players, any ergonomic wired option works fine. Wireless mice are getting better every year, but wired still wins for reliability and zero latency. And don't stress too much. Comfort always beats brand names. Good audio changes everything. Sound adds depth to your games and makes everything more immersive. You don't need expensive studio headphones, just something with balanced audio and a comfortable fit. Closed-back headphones block outside noise, while open-back ones give a wider sound range. If you're multitasking, gaming, editing, or listening to music, a decent pair under $60 to $80 can make a huge difference. Audio isn't something you see, but once you upgrade, you'll hear why it matters. Don't sleep on the microphone. Whether you're chatting with friends, recording gameplay, or streaming, a clear mic is key. You can get solid USB microphones that sound professional without needing extra gear. Look for features like adjustable gain or volume control, built-in pop filters or shock mounts, and ideally, plug-and-play simplicity. Avoid relying solely on headset mics. They're fine in a pinch, but rarely sound great. If you can, go for a standalone mic. It instantly levels up your setup and makes your voice sound clearer, richer, and more professional. Lighting, the game changer you don't expect. This one's underrated. Good lighting transforms a basic setup into something cinematic. RGB strips behind your desk, color-changing bulbs, or even a small lamp can add depth and mood to your space. You can go subtle, warm white tones, or go full gamer mode with neon blues and pinks. Here's the secret. Good lighting isn't just for aesthetics. It reduces eye strain and helps you focus. Plus, it makes your setup look way cooler on camera if you ever plan to stream or make videos. Style it with personality. Here's where your setup becomes yours. Add posters, plants, a shelf of collectibles, maybe even a framed print of your favorite game. Your workspace should reflect your vibe, not just what's trending online. Small touches like cable management, a desk mat, or ambient lighting can turn a pile of gear into something that inspires you when you sit down to create. Remember, this isn't just a gaming corner, it's your creative zone. And that's it, 10 essential tips to build your full budget gaming setup. Whether you're just getting started or leveling up your current space, I hope these ideas help you build something you're proud of. Oh, you don't need to spend thousands, just plan smart, upgrade gradually, and focus on comfort and performance over hype. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's one upgrade you're planning for your setup this year? I'll be reading through and replying to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and as always, this is a Tech Bowl, helping you build smarter, play smoother, and stay ahead of the curve. Catch you in the next one.